Doing welcome to the Pip Crypto Show. Like, comment, subscribe. New month, April 2nd. So we're gonna check out what is BTCUSD. Look like we found some support. We're gonna see how this works out here. There was a lot of selling. I told you guys y'all could have sold to the zone. Y'all would have made profits. A lot of profits. I didn't, do a signal because I was doing a lot of family events. But for the week, this looked like we have some exhaustion here. We're gonna make a new zone. Gotta make it a different color. Let's go grab our rectangle. Exhaustion from right here to right here. Let's see how the market reacts once it gets around here. I'm gonna change this color. Let's see how this weekly candle closes. This is what we're gonna be monitoring for the week. There we go. Background. I need to change this. That's not gonna help. Boom. We're watching the zone right here. Either way, and we will see some money. This right here is the resistance. Price might be popping back up. Test that resistance. There was a lot of exhaustion here. Came, created exhaustion over here. Between the both sides that are exhausted, we're seeing a tug of war. Someone was explaining to me not too long ago when I was from trading before, like, look at what happened in the past. There might be, this is right here. This was that sideways motion that I was speaking about weeks ago. Price seems to be stuck around here. We're going to see what happens. This was that resistance level over here that price has not been able to breach. Let's extend it into the future. These were just patterns that were found. I'm going to delete a lot of this soon. Gonna clean up these charts. I feel like this is crowded. Matter of fact, let's start deleting it now. Boom. These were old moves. Trend lines. Those are all back tested information. If I ever need it, I'll do the work to get all of it back. Let's go to the H4. We're gonna call this video back testing, understanding, past information to use for projections. We really don't want to project but react. But let's get this out of the way. Clean that up a little bit. So we have a lot more clarity. The cleaner your chart is, the better you can look at it and get an understanding of it. BTCUSD, strong downtrend. Very, very strong downtrend. We're going to draw a new trend line soon. I just don't like the trend line that's here. Gotta get rid of all of this. And this is what, like, I try to explain to people. It's tedious. This is a lot of work. Some people clean it up right away, depending if you're OCD or not. Some people would, like, follow these rules completely different. I like to leave them there only because sometimes I like to go back and see if I can see a repetitive move. If I see a repeat, then I know, okay, the last time it did this time it's gonna do the same. Watch it, learn the move, then boom. That's how I was able to master a lot of the patterns that I do know. And it's cool. Like, this is still daily price action. We're gonna make our projection and do markup soon. We'll continue with that analyzing, because on the 4 hour there's a lot of downward motion. We can take this, delete. Someone said right here, boom, there we go. We had this that was broken, so we would have known resistance started here. Now we could draw our new trend line. That zone was respected there. Boom. So from where it was broken, we want to take our fibs. We're talking about higher highs and higher lows. So we see a downtrend. I want to take it from here. This is what I'm measuring. This is the move. I see, yeah, it's almost completed. If not, it did complete. If we take it here, watch, yeah. Boom. It's about to complete. This that push 127 is. So we could possibly see price go down to 6,250 soon. Resistance is around here, and that's also around an indecision level. So we could place a pending order here. Pending order around 7. Maybe that's too high. 7,250. Alright, so pending order, sell limit, back testing. This is all that was done on this video. A little back testing. A little cleaning up the charts. Because there is a lot of downside motion. Market just has been going down. We're going to see what happens when price gets possibly around this 5,700 price area. But first take profit will be a negative 127 on a continuation. That price will be going down to test these. Well, I don't know. It looks like it has gone down because this would have been the last level of support. It turned into resistance right here. Turned into resistance, and from there it was just going down. So we could have been following price. We could have been selling Bitcoin all the way down. A lot of people have been advising to sell Bitcoin. They were correct. If you got your entry points around here, you know that boom, here's another resistance. I mean, another support level that it broke, because it was support over here. Boom, came up, held. It's still support. Then came here, touched it one last time before it broke it. Here it was when it was broken. Now that support becomes resistance. Price should shoot down, come here, test this area. So matter of fact, the pending order, put your pending order around 7,750 and just wait. It's a pending order. It can get hit, it might not get hit. If you want to take the trade, I'm not telling you, I'm not a financial expert. I'm just a trader. I take regular trades. This is just a free signal. And just test how it moves. I think the volatility will allow it to come, for price to come around here, touch it, go back down, and we'll see. Because if price does hold to be true, it can go up. My trade could be wrong, and your stop loss would be around. All right, so entry for the pending order is around 7,850. I want to say 7,750. 7,750 is your entry, pending order, sell limit. You know, put your sell limit there. Stop loss, $8,000. All right, and then boom, that's the trade that will confirm the signal that I've given. We'll see how that plays out. I'm probably gonna scout the market. That's just a pending order. I'm a better scalper than pending order. That's what I told you. And no, I'm not telling you to play. Demo my trades. How about that? That's how I'm gonna present all of this. Demo all my trades. I'm not telling you to trade this live. Demo my trades. See how they get executed, and then from there you pick and choose. Like, am I teaching you, you know, information that works or not? Like, just test it out. I gave you the pending order at 7,750. From there, you know, we'll see what happens. Because when we do the breakdown, I see a lot of bullish movement. Let's go up to the monthly. But I see a zone being touched, and it seems to have bounce, which could be, you know, true to that cipher over here. it has been, hold on, since the first bounce, look, one boom up, still up momentum, price has not broke, like, alright, boom. Where this is not broken. I should make it another level. I said another level, another color. Boom. Right here. And then once we're gonna break down that zone and see how that zone looks. When we go down to the week, it shows exhaustion levels. That it shows that price has been exhausted. This hold right here is exhausted. If this candle breaks through, comes back here, price touches here and continues to drop, which is possible. You see these wicks, you see these wicks, you see these wicks. It's very possible that candle bodies do turn into wicks. So this is why we wait on the longer time frames. But for the weekly, we see a lot of bullish movement. Let's look at the daily. Boom. We see dojis seems to have price shifting into another direction, which would be here. This is why I say place that pending order around this area. Stop loss should be technically right here, which is high, but I don't want y'all to take that high of a risk. This is why I say make it 8,000, because that 38 point, make it 82.50. The stop loss is 82.50, and that is like perfect for that pending order, because what was once support has turned into resistance, and now price has to go find the resistance for it to continue down. And I'm doing all of this using Fibonacci, the averages of the days. I got a nice little medium here on a lower time frame. I remember it's the H4. I like to trade off the H4. Gives me the best clarity. This engulfing right here shows that there's a lot of bullish movement. What sometimes I like to do, if this gets broken, I'll draw my fibs and then ride this out to that. Hold on, let's do something right quick. Boom. Price based off this engulfing right here, if it holds to be true, take profits right there. Boom. And then for that pending order, let price play out. Let's see if it plays out. Like I said, 7,750. We'll see how price reacts once it gets there. Potential opportunity to sell. We have this resistance over here, this resistance over here. In between, there's a lot of room for indecision. Pricing, like, comment, subscribe if you like this daily price action of btcusd. And let's just enjoy, you know, how we get these coins. Next episode is probably gonna be on Ripple. Gonna do a nice, 15-minute quick analysis. Boom, bada bang, bada boom. Jab, I want to add more pairs. I might do EG, WTI, GY. Like, I might start doing daily different analysis for different pairs and just keep that rotating. And then once we get some consistency, y'all can see for yourselves. Boom, hey, Wupips, aka WuCrypto, gave y'all, the information that y'all needed to get some things done. I just want to help. Like, comment, subscribe. Give me some content to speak on. If you have any questions, YouTube is a nice platform for us to interact. You just let me know. I'll check it out. I'll make a video, whatever it is, anything pertaining to trading, loaning, cryptos, anything of that nature. If I can help, I'll do my best. And see you on the next episode.